What up, Tube? Today is Monday, July 2nd. Tomorrow is July 3rd. Wednesday is July 4th. Another holiday, guys. You know what that means? That means it's going to be busy today. Only two of us working, J-Lo and myself. So we're just going to handle it and see what's going on.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now.
What up, Tube? Today is Monday, guys. Monday, day before, well, not the day before, but 2 days before 4th of July. So you know what's going on here. It's a sick, busy day today. And of course, I'm understaffed. Only two of us working, me and J-Lo. So we're just holding it down. We've been swamped since we started this morning. So I expected it to be busy, but I didn't think it was gonna be this busy. But that's okay. You can't complain when you got a lot of customers. You know, you just can't complain about that, guys. It's not a bad thing. Let me put it to you that way. So right now I'm headed to go get some lunch. Go to the bank real quick, go get some lunch in, and then head back over there and finish this day off. Tomorrow, I think I'm not gonna work, but I might have to work. So it just depends on what's going on here at work. If the guys that are supposed to be working show up, and if they do, then I'll be okay. If not, then I guess I'm gonna have to be here tomorrow and fill in for the boys again. It's the life of an owner, guys. This is what it's all about, and what happens all the time. But you can't complain about that. I did have a planned trip tomorrow to the beach with my fams, but that's not gonna work out because of course, like I said, I might have to work, so I'm gonna have to sit around the house and figure out what's going on. But I'm gonna head back to the shop right now and finish this day off. Post a couple haircuts. If you guys got any questions, you guys want to know anything, you just, you know, shoot it, guys. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think, what you guys want, and I'll get back with you guys later.
When lights go out, you're in my mind. I close my eyes, so it's just you and I tell myself you'll be back again. When the stars are aligned, we will dance in the meadow on our favorite place. When spring is coming,
that's it for today, guys. Kind of busy day. We got through a lot of haircuts. Me and my daughter, only me and her working again. This is me and her almost this whole weekend. Shit. Well, Sunday and today. So it was a really busy day. Right now it is about 6 p.m. So I'm about to head out of here. Everybody have a blessed weekend. I might work tomorrow. I'm not sure if one of my guys doesn't show up, but I guess I'm gonna have to come in. But if not, I'm gonna take the day off tomorrow. And then I shall be back on Thursday. I am taking the 4th off. My shop is open on the 4th, guys, because holidays are always busy. But you know, I'm not working it. My boys will be here and they'll hold it down for me. And then I'll be back on Thursday. You guys all have a happy 4th of July. Give God thanks that we live in such a great country. It is our country's birthday, so you know, everybody have a good time and be safe out there. And I'll see you guys on Thursday. Lates. Go USA.